Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to turn on private browsing on Safari in iPhone iOS 17. Okay, first things first, open Safari, and as you can see, I'm in the regular browsing mode where Safari will track the websites you visit and all that other stuff. If you want to browse anonymously, just click on the URL bar until these options are shown. Then, click on the little icon at the right side to open the tab View in the browser. Now, you can see the private button on the left side of the screen. You can tap on that button and you'll be in the private browsing mode. In private browsing mode, your Safari browsing history won't be saved and you can browse anonymously. There is also an option to lock this private browsing window, so you can unlock it with your Face ID or with a passcode. To lock the private browsing tab, just exit the Safari and open the settings on your device. Scroll all the way down until you can see the Safari section and click on it to open the Safari settings. Scroll all the way down until you can see the Require Face ID to unlock private browsing. Make sure that this feature is enabled. When you enable it, just go back to your Safari browser and you can see that the private browsing is already locked. You can click here, scan your face, and unlock the private browsing tabs in Safari. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now turn on private browsing on Safari in iPhone iOS 17. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling!